Welcome to XRP Fan Channel. Why didn't XRP price explode after Ripple's SEC lawsuit victory? The SEC's decision not to appeal the ruling that XRP is not a security provides significant regulatory clarity. While XRP's price saw an initial jump, factors like market manipulation and institutional investment processes are influencing its current, slower growth. Ripple and its partners can now focus on expanding adoption. As we begin our news on XRP, please don't forget to subscribe to receive the next XRP Ripple news. And the long-term outlook for XRP is considered positive. After years of legal disputes, the Ripple vs. SEC lawsuit is finally reaching its conclusion. This marks a major victory for both Ripple and the broader cryptocurrency industry, setting a key precedent for future crypto regulations. Following the lawsuit's resolution, XRP's price jumped by over 10%. With regulatory uncertainty out of the way, some experts predict XRP could rise above 5 by 2025. But why hasn't its price skyrocketed yet, despite this major win? Let's break it all down. SEC drops appeal. A major win for XRP software engineer Vincent Van Code recently shared his thoughts on X, explaining why the SEC's decision to drop its appeal is a huge win for XRP. He also discussed why XRP's price hasn't surged as much as he initially expected. Van Code pointed out that the SEC's appeal posed a major risk. It could have challenged Judge Torres' ruling that XRP itself is not a security. This uncertainty made big banks and institutions hesitant to invest, as they weren't sure how the situation would unfold. Ripple's $125 fine, case closed? Last year, Ripple was fined $125 million for direct sales to institutions. The company has already paid the fine, and the money is currently in escrow, waiting for final clarity on the appeal. CEO Brad Garlinghouse has mentioned that Ripple might appeal the ruling on institutional sales. But that's a separate issue. Even in a worst-case scenario, Ripple would only need to register its institutional sales with the SEC. Alternatively, institutions could buy XRP on decentralized exchanges DEXs. Through automated market makers AMMs, liquidity providers LPs, or Lust. XRP is not a security. The biggest takeaway from this lawsuit? XRP is officially not a security. With this legal battle behind them, Ripple and its 1,500 global partners can now focus on growth and innovation without worrying about regulatory setbacks. Why hasn't XRP's price skyrocketed yet? Despite the legal victory, XRP's price is still showing low trading volume. Van Code believes this is due to market manipulation by Binance and its VIP trading bots. He explained that major investors will likely start accumulating XRP once the timing is right. But they aren't rushing in. Large investments often require board approvals, which usually happen once a month, causing some delays. With the SEC no longer a threat, there's nothing stopping XRP's adoption. Van Code is confident about its long-term potential and believes it's highly unlikely that anything will cause a sharp price drop moving forward. However, he also reminded investors that impatience is the real challenge. While his past price predictions haven't always been accurate, he encouraged the XRP community to stay patient, celebrate this win, and plan wisely for the future. For years, XRP's biggest hurdle was uncertainty. Now, with the SEC in the rearview mirror, the road ahead looks bright. Thanks for watching. See you in the next crypto news. Please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Disclaimer. The information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please Consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.